Another way to play chords for Silent Night, in addition to the alternating bass pattern like we did in the other video, is to take the chords and instead of playing bass chord chord, you can do arpeggios. And arpeggio is when you play a chord, you're holding a chord, and you're just kind of moving your pick around, preferably with down and up strokes. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and so on. So what you can do is take the same strings you were picking with the bass chord, chord, bass, chord, chord, and instead of doing chord, chord, you can do an arpeggio. For example, I can use almost any combination of strings as long as I'm holding the right chord, but to keep it hopefully simple, I'll play my bass note, but then I'll go on the third string, second string, first string, second string, third string, and that'll add up to 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'm picking the heavy string down, third string up, second string down, first string up, second string down, third string up. And I just keep repeating that regardless of what chord I'm on. I'm just trying to start on the correct bass notes each time. So my G would look like this. Alternate bass, G, alternate bass, and so on. D7, alternate bass, back to G, alternate bass, C, alternate bass, I still move my finger, G, so on and so forth. Now when you do this, if you play the wrong strings, kind of like when you were doing bass chord chord, if you play a wrong string, it's not a disaster. Keep going through the song because it's still going to sound good if you're holding the right chord. For example, if I mean to do this, but I wind up playing the technically correct or incorrect strings, that's fine. It still sounds good. You might even prefer that. So instead of this, I'm just picking different strings, but I'm still holding the same string. You can also do different combinations like D7, and so on. So it's a matter of just keeping the time going, that 1, 2, 3 over and over again in the song. So you can experiment with that as well.